Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing the latest Dr. Yglo release and confirming the runtime is active. This prevents version conflicts later. Once done, create and verify your account, then enable two-factor authentication to secure access. Next, open the dashboard and connect your primary data source, granting only the permissions Dr. Yglo needs. You should see the initial sync start. If it stalls, recheck credentials and network access before moving to the configuration steps. You now map your source fields to Dr. Yglo's schema so data lands where you expect. Setting types correctly avoids parsing errors. Then create workflows. Pick triggers, schedules, and retry rules, and chain steps logically so outputs feed subsequent actions. Once configured, run tests with sample data to validate outcomes and inspect logs for warnings. If a transform misbehaves, adjust the mapping or add a normalization step, and rerun the test until results match expectations. You finish by enabling monitoring and alerts so you're notified of failures or high latency. This keeps operations reliable. Deploy to production using a staged rollout and maintain backups so you can revert if needed. Make sure maintenance windows and access controls are documented for team members. If something goes wrong, check the error logs first, then verify permissions and data formats. These three areas resolve most issues quickly. If errors persist, roll back the last change and retest in isolation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.